Hi, it's lovely to be back here in old Coulsdon to look at one of our finished projects. This is Hakan, the client. Hello, Hakan.
Hi, Lynn.
Lovely to see you again. Lovely to see you again, buddy. This property here is a Hip-To-Gable rear dormer. If you'd like to come inside and you can see the space we created.
What can I say? I was over the moon. Me and my wife had a vision. We expected something. It was just not used. It was just a place which was dumping suitcases and boxes. We was always talking about having a room. It's just the problem was you just couldn't picture it. You just didn't know the size. And that was our concern about when we came to you and had the interview with Ricky, and we was discussing it with Ricky and saying like, well, really we want to make sure that it's a double bedroom. If we could have an ensuite, it'd be great. Now we have more than what we expected. So it was amazing to see the project move on through the period of time, and it was a quick period of time really, without the interference in the family life.